Maxwell.
And I am Peter.
And this is the Maxwell and Peter Show.
Allie's with us again tonight.
Now, you might have thought for the past 30 seconds this is running, but no, it's not. That is running in the background.
This pulling tractor.
Two things. One, an apology. Sorry, we haven't been filming. Or we have been filming. We haven't been editing or posting. So we're just going to leave all that content. It's probably like, I don't know, 30 minutes worth of content.
And start fresh and keep moving forward.
Yeah. So
How come we haven't been posting?
We've just been so busy.
Busy with jobs. We got jobs everywhere. Summer has been so busy.
Yeah.
We've been working on tractors. We've been picking up tractors, getting tractors, working on tractors.
Ready for...
Getting his trailer ready.
Yeah. We're going to post another video tomorrow and on Friday about some other stuff.
Tomorrow night we're going to load the tractor onto the trailer.
And get it ready for field days.
And then Friday we're going to be at the youth tractor pulls. Maxwell's pulling in the tractor pulls.
Yep. So the second part about this video, you're probably like, what's that? Well, the second part, me driving. Whenever we give you some bad news.
We'll take a quick look at Maxwell's tractor. It's
It's
22 horsepower Husqvarna. Got the wheelie bars all made. Got a hitch. He's got a hitch in his giddy up. We'll have to make a cover for this because we took the mower thing off. But we got that all painted. We'll install that tomorrow. Push it in, bud. Try that.
What's that sound?
Okay, push it down. Horsepower, hydrostatic drive. He's all excited about it tomorrow for Friday. He drives that thing like he stole it. Get lug nuts for his wheels, from his wheelie bar. The lock nuts vibrate off if we don't. Gotta get lug nuts tomorrow for him. Go ahead, park it. All right, we'll throw the ball up once for Allie. Ready? Maybe she'll catch it for us. Nope, not quite. Grab it. Go get it. Ready? All right, one more time. Maybe she'll catch it this time. Ready? Go get it. Sometimes she catches it. So anyways, we'll make another video tomorrow night with Maxwell getting his tractor all loaded on the trailer and ready to go to the fair on Friday morning. So if you want to come cheer on Maxwell at the polls at the fair on Friday, come on out. Say goodbye, everybody. Say goodbye.